In this video I'm going to show you how to unrestrict someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and to unrestrict someone on Facebook we need to go to Messenger. After that, go to menu, tap Add Gear to open up settings, then tap Add Privacy and Safety, and that's where we can easily find restricted accounts. If we tap on it, it will show us the list of all users we have restricted, and then if we want to unrestrict someone, we need to tap at that user to go to a conversation with them, and then towards the bottom we can tap at Unrestrict to unrestrict that user. That's how you can easily unrestrict someone on Facebook.